Hello, good afternoon, and welcome back again. Today we have a special guest here. It's a laptop AC/DC adapter that we check the adapter just to make sure that it's with some issues or not. And of course, we have some problems that we identify at the first place. We plug the multimeter to check the in-homes if in the 220 volts we have some resistance, but look, as you can see on this screen here, yes, good. When I put the clamps together, okay, when I put the tweezers, together, I have 0 ohms, but when I plug it on 220 volts the AC, I can read nothing. And I already open it with some caution, remove the PCB, identify some components here. We have the first we have the PCB divided into two layers. The first layer is the AC transformer circuit, and the other is the DC transformer circuit. In this side we have 220 volts AC. In this side we have already the DC. Okay, we have to pay attention to this and be very careful when we do some operations in 220 volts. You have to be very cautious. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is to find out where is the problem. I'm going to put my multimeter in diode mode, as you can see, in diode mode, okay, and I'm going to begin to check all the components to make sure they're working properly or not. Just you can, it's logic. You can try to find out if, okay, it's good, yeah. As far as I can see, it's good. Okay, wonderful. You have to follow the tracks, and here we have a coil. This is a coil over here. Okay, I can test the coil also. These two. Okay, it's normal. Okay, what can it be? Let me check this side now. Okay. Look at this. Can you see? I have no reading. What is going on? Okay. What kind of component is this? T315AL 250 volts. Oh my god, so simple. So simple. I think it's this, huh? Look at this. I'm going to put the multimeter on the buzzer mode. Okay, so I have readings in this board, okay, and this, yes, this, of course, but I don't have on this side. So okay, it means that this component right here This, as you can see, this is a fuse, a 250 volts fuse, and I think it's damaged because when I put the multimeter on the ohms mode and I put the multimeter test, okay, let's see, ohms, when I put both the multimeter tests on the right, there we go, I have readings. Look at this, 1.9 mega ohms, and it's getting higher and higher. It's too good. This means that it's, you know, it's rising. Okay, hold on. So I was preparing the solder station to desolder this component here, and I don't know what I'm going to do next, but it's, you know, I can take a shortcut and put a bridge on this, but I think it's better to apply a new fuse here, because if this fuse is broken, it's not too good to make a bridge in here, you know. Sometimes when the fuse blows, it means that we have something's wrong on the power grid that can damage other components, and this is a delicate component. I'm going to try to identify one and I'm gonna try to put in this place, replace it, but let's see, I'm going to check first. Give me 5 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and I'm not finding any component, any fuse available, so I decided to make a bridge, small bridge, small enough to avoid that this can be damaged again. So one thing that we have to make sure is sometimes when we see a fuse that is blasted, make sure first if all the circuit is in good conditions, because sometimes cannot be in good conditions and compromise the whole circuit. Okay, so we'll desolder this, apply a little bit of flux. I'm going to apply my solder station, apply some heat. Yes. Okay. It's off. It means that I don't have anything doing the job right now. Let's try to open this and see what we can watch on the inside or not. We can do it just to show you what is this. It's a fuse. Look at this. It's so small. My God, it's so small indeed. It's just an innocent fuse. Okay, let's put the multimeter again. Yes. Okay, let's end this. Yes, perfect. Now you can watch. No shit, don't tell me. Right now it's working again, so all we have to do is, or maybe the solder wasn't too good weld, you know, sometimes can happen. But I started to figure out that this could be that kind of situation. You want to see something weird? You're gonna see. Look. Watch. This is going to just take a little this yes. Okay. Let's apply a little more of solder. Yes. So it's good. Right now I think I can have a good reading right now. Let's check. Look at this. We didn't do anything. All we have to do is to unsolder and then solder back again. Sometimes this world is too Weird, you know, this world of computers and technology and whatever. Sometimes, how can I explain this? Huh? Can you explain it? I cannot. But it's work, you know. And you have to pay yourself for the work that you do. Okay, I'm doing this wrong. I have to remove the old plastic. Okay, move this old and put this back on place. Just make sure that is working. And let me show you one thing. It's gonna work. What do you think? It's gonna give me 12 volts or not? I bet I have 12 volts here. Wow, I really do have 12 volts. So this is gonna put my laptop working back again. Turn off. Wonderful. There you go. I almost prepared a new fuse for nothing, but sometimes, you know, it's unbelievable. You cannot explain. It's weird things, you know. Okay, this is another video. You know, but sometimes we have to replace the fuse because the fuse wasn't in good conditions. I couldn't put this back on place again, and for that there are some components that sometimes or you have it or you don't, and when you don't have it you have to, you know, just put your imagination working and you're gonna be fine. So thank you, and just don't forget to put a like, subscribe, and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.